Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I decided to do a review slash tutorial on this complete starter kit. It's from Gelish and this is the mini version. I bought this off of Amazon for about like $79, in which I think that with the lamp that's included, I think that was way too much, but I'll explain that a little later in the video. I'm just going to show you what I bought separately and then I'll show you what comes in the box. So I have here my brush, cotton rolls. I have my color. It doesn't look white, but it's white. I'll be attempting French tip. And I also have my alcohol, which you can buy at your local beauty supply store. And then now you'll see what actually comes in the box. It comes with these colors. It's a bronze color, a purplish kind of grape color, a gold color, sparkly red, and hot pink. It also comes with the Nail Surface Cleanse Artificial Nail Remover, the pH Bond foundation, top it off coat, and also the nourishing agent. And it also comes with the LED on the go Gelish lamp. I did get a little bit of my polish in my LED lamp. Please don't cover me in the comments. I do apologize. I should have wiped it before I started the video. So I'm going in with my alcohol and I'm just cleaning off the nail a little bit. And I'm also going in with my nail file just to roughen up the surface. This will help in the overall retention of your gel manicure. The pH bond also helps with the overall length that your manicure will stay without chipping. And I find that when I do my manicures, it lasts about like a week and a half. Now we'll go in with the foundation. When applying your foundation, you want to make sure that you don't get it on your skin and just the nail itself. If you do get it on the skin, take some acetone and just clean around it. Reason being, if you just go in with your polish and before you clean it, then it'll just get messy. And then once you try to clean it, you'll find that you won't be able to because the foundation was already dry because you put it in the LED lamp. So you see, after every step, you have to put in an LED lamp. I'm taking a little bit of the artificial nail remover, aka acetone, and I'm just going to set that off to the side. So now I'm going in with my polish. I don't focus on getting like the perfect French tip as soon as I apply it because I'm going to go in with my brush and that will help me shape everything to the way I like it. Okay, and something else, if you're wondering how long the LED lamp lights up for, it is about 45 seconds and it already comes preset. I tried to clean around my nail bed as best as I could. You'll see that I still have like, a little bit of color in the end of the video, but I am not a professional, okay? This is just me sharing my experience with you guys. So now we're going in with the Top It Off coat. So then we're going to go in with the nail surface cleanse. This is supposed to help with any paint that you got on your skin that you didn't, remove during the process. But it doesn't really work that much. So yeah, I don't know about that. I'll have to let you guys know in another video how I feel about it. And then the last step is the nourishing agent. That helps the cuticles stay nice and clean and pretty. And this is my final result. So I love my left hand. My right hand, not so much, but I love the way this came out. I did go back and fix a couple fingers on that hand. So this is what the LED lamp looks like. I didn't think it was going to be so lightweight and kind of like, cheap like this. I just want it actually came with a sticker like on the thing. Like, I did not think that it was going to come looking like this. I thought it was going to be bigger. Remind you, I said it was $79, so I don't know, I guess I expected a little bit more, but maybe I was expecting too much. It also, how do you power it on? It has like this little slot for a USB, and you just have to get something and hook it up to the wall, and as soon as you press this button, it turns on. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly tell you guys, like, this is the only real like kind of disappointment I've had. I didn't think it was going to be like this, and it doesn't really dry. Like, let's just say if you put too much of like a heavy coat, it doesn't fully dry. So yeah, I just thought it was going to be stronger, a little bit more powerful than what it actually is.